Infinite trading method part 36. Is it 36 or 20? I think it's 36. Anyways, we wait until the last 5 seconds of the purchase deadline. We buy if it's above the halfway points, and we sell if it's under the halfway points. It can be either up or it can be down. Either one is good. You buy for 2. If 2 loses, we do 4. 4 will give you back enough profits to make your $2 plus $1 and some, 9, and so on and so forth. And as we go, you would understand what the infinite trading method is. We sell here for 2 because both indicators were under their indicated halfway points. Even if it loses, we do... Oh, this is on binary and not on digital. I feel so dumb right now. Even though I'm extremely smart, it does make me feel a type of way. Anyways, we go here USD and we go to digital because digital's profit is 10 cents more. Yeah, 92% profits is what digital is. Whole time we were shooting binary. Anyways, same thing goes. Last 5 seconds, both indicators are down, we sell. If 2 loses, we do 4. 4 gives you back your $2 plus $1.69, which is absolutely amazing. Two 1 again. We go back down to 2 and we wait until the last 5 seconds of the purchase deadline and we make a trade. Right? What's interesting is everything is possible. That's what's interesting to me. We sell here for 2 again because both indicators were indicated for a down. We move up to 4 and we wait. Wait and see. It's currently 11:46 p.m. We're trading at night, technically close to midnight. I mean, it's not OTC, so we're good. This is OTC. It's not OTC, so it's absolutely amazing. Right, today is Thursday, tomorrow is Friday. I'm trading at the last hours of Thursday. Literally 9 more minutes until Friday, which is still good. Right, so infinite trading method, part 36. Like, comment, subscribe, let me know what's up. So you see that 2 loss, last 5 seconds of the purchase deadline, we're gonna buy or sell for, buy here for 4 because both indicators are above their respective halfway points. If 4 loses, then we do 9. 9 would give us back say $8.30, which would be 4, 5, 6, $2.30 profits, which is absolutely amazing. It's beautiful, isn't it? Okay, one more. So yeah, this is our 1, 2, 3, number 4, and that's a dub. We go down to 2 and we wait. Right, last 5 again, same thing. Just see, we keep repeating it. Last 5 seconds, purchase deadline. You wait and you buy or you sell, right, based on where the indicators are at. CCI and the RSI, Relative Strength Index, and the Commodity Channel Index. Well, you know, last time I said I solved the markets, nobody replied. I'm the only person who liked. That's the person. Anyways, we move up to 4 and we wait. Yeah. And as you can see, I'm not doing any fancy technical analysis. All I'm doing is trial and error, and you will win. You have to win. That's how life works. That's how I got this method. I trial and error the shit out of this, bro, for months at a time. I sat down and, I trialed and error. Something didn't work. I let go of it, or it worked. I stuck with it, and here we are. To the most perfect trading method on the planet. It's perfect. It's good. Not perfect. I don't call it perfect. It's good. Perfect would be as if I trade 10,000 and I was to win all the time. That would be perfect. But nothing is perfect in this world, and it's in the imperfections that make us great and make us amazing. Through the imperfections is where we truly grow as individuals. And that is good. And for loss, I'm gonna do 9 next. 9 is most likely going to win. This one would be trade number 7. We buy here for 9. And we wait. If 9 loses, then we do 19. If 19 loses, then we do 41. If 41 loses, we do 89. If 89 loses, we do 191. If 191 loses, we do 410. If 410 loses, we do 881, 1910, and then 3810. So yes, let's do 19. Sell here for 19 because both indicators are under the respective halfway points. That would be trade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Trade number 8. 8 minutes. Which 19 is most likely going to lose, and even if it doesn't, we just do 41. But yeah, and when you win, you ultimately go back to 2. So 9, and that's 15, $2.52 profits off this trade. If it wins, it will win. Just watch. It may not be right now. It may not be in the next minute. It may not be in the next 2 minutes, but it will win. Just watch. Let's pay close attention. I have one. So we sell here for 41. We move up to 89 and we wait. 19 and 1, that's 20, 34. 41 loses, we're supposed to get more than 34. We'll see. The losses are good, Losses are absolutely amazing. So yes, I'll add this up in a sec. $82.05. So we buy here for 89. We then move up to 191. So 41 and 9, that's 50, 60, 75, $82.06 profits. We make our $7.06 profits off 3, 4, 5, 6 trades. So yeah, we always win, never lose. And even if it does lose, we have 191 right there waiting, which is also absolutely amazing. And when you win, you go back to 2. I mean, does that make sense? Does that make any sense, boy? If I'm not making sense, let me know. You feel me? But I feel as if I'm making a lot of sense. 8. So we buy here for 2. I mean, we bought for 4, but we were supposed to buy for 2. So we're ultimately going to assume we did 4, and if 4 loses, we do 9. Right, and yeah, that's how it works. Or we could just do 4 and make $3 and some cents, and then make it back on the other trade. Meh. That's what we do here, isn't it? Or we could just do 9. Ha ha ha. Because you see, if we do 4 again, technically we would be short 40 cents, but when we win with 2, we would make back what we lost. But we can do 9 and just make back everything and more. So I think that's what we're going to do. We're going to do 9. We are going to do 9. Is that racist to be imitating the Indian people? 595. And if 9 loses, we do 19, which is absolutely good. So 4, 9 would give you back a lot more than 4. Ha ha ha, I'm funny. Ha 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 ha. And as I said, with everything and with life, it's okay to lose. Losing is what makes you realize what your actual potential is. It's currently 4 minutes at 12, which is actually 12 p.m. here. It's currently August 12th, number 12, and 12 signifies completion. So we buy here for 19. If 19 loses, we do 41, yeah? We do 41. I just realized that there's like a green hue right here. It's blinking. Starting to see it. Okay. That would make sense. 7, 6, 5. We sell here for 41 and we wait. If 41 loses, we do 89. 19 and 1 is 20, 32. 41 gives you back more than 32, I would assume. This is going down. It's going down for. Sound like Stranger Things theme song. Is it gonna cross? La cross, la cross, la cross, la cross, la cross, la cross. It crossed. Anyways, infinite trading method, part 36. How long have we been trading? 38, 23, 23, 23, 23. The next one, last one should have been like okay. So yeah, infinite trading method. You can like, comment, subscribe. Try this by yourself. Do it. 249. It's 249 19, 41, 89, 191, 410, 881, 1910, and then 3810. That's the order you traded, 0000. So yeah, infinite trading method, GG. Bye.